one of the planes right here. We're gonna repair this tail. See if we can get this old OS motor to run. First we'll take this covering all off so we can get into that wood and see what we need to do to reinforce it and repair it. Then we'll let our iron heat up and we'll get the rest of these bits of coating off of here. All up along here. Just put it back together with some glue and recoat it. So here we're going to mix up our epoxies. That mixed up really good. Glue our tail together right here at this point. Here we got the tail glued back together. Don't be afraid to use some tape when you do this, because once the glue dries underneath it, the tape will peel right off. And tomorrow when we come back, we'll jump into fixing the rest of this tail. Thanks for watching.